I'm recording it. My bad. Oh well, anyway, you guys gotta check out this bread. It's like super soft. I got you on camera. It's really soft. It's pretty awesome.
Wow. Look at it. It's Tempur-Pedic.
Tempur-Pedic bread. Oh.
I just think so.
I'm gonna eat this.
No, here we go. Let it go.
Hey, Cassidy.
What?
Can vegetarians eat animal crackers?
Oh, I came up with that. Do vegetarians eat animal crackers? Yes. No. Yes, they do. I found that out yesterday.
Really?
Realized. Because it's made
Who
from
knows
bread.
Who knows a vegetarian? Anybody? You do?
My mom.
Really? I never know that. I don't know any vegetarians. My family likes meat.
My brother's girlfriend. Oh yeah. If she doesn't eat Brenda's sister.
Cool. Okay.
Can we put these on YouTube?
Boring. Bye.
I'm gonna.